Hello everyone, as we know already, this is our profile page, and after using CSS, it is looking like this. And this is the CSS properties for this. So I use asterisk. This means it is universal selector. Inside this, what we add, it will apply on the everything. It will apply everything on our page, like it will apply on head, html tag, what is inside that, and everything. So text decoration none, I don't want this underline. For links, for that I use text decoration none. Firstly, I don't want padding margin, I want according to me, that's why I give 0, because sometime a browser use its padding and margin, that's why. And I want this all text inside in middle, that's why I use text align center. So image, as we know, image tag is inline, and for so that it take only that space which, only the space which that want. So making for showing it good and making it, for taking it whole line, I use display property block. Then I give height and width to this image 200 pixel, and if we want our image in circle, so we can use border radius 50%, then it will be in circle. And this image is going out of the circle, means it is overlapping. So for stopping that overlap, I use object fit cover. Then this image will not go outside of that circle, it will adjust in that. And I use here hr tag. For that I want this break line few big, that's why for hr tag I give height 10 pixel, and there I use background color linear gradient. In linear gradient we can use so many colors, and we can decorate our web page with so many colors. So I want this color. Here firstly we can write values to left to right, or how many degrees we want that color. So we can write to left to right, or like 130 degree, 30 degree, etc. By default it value is left to right, and then we can use colors by using commas. After that I use everything we discussed in first video, so nothing is different from that. And it is my profile page. After adding css, it is looking like this. Thank you.